Welcome to Financial Works, the channel where we help you achieve your financial goals and dreams. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make money online by copywriting. Copywriting is one of the most in-demand and lucrative skills in the digital world, and it can be a great way to earn a living from anywhere in the world. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a full-time career, or a passive income stream, copywriting can be the perfect option for you. But what exactly is copywriting, and how can you get started as a beginner? Let's find out. Copywriting is the process of writing content that is intended to persuade or influence a reader to take a particular action, such as making a purchase, signing up for a service, or joining a community. It is a form of marketing that uses written content to engage, inform, and persuade an audience. Copywriting can take many forms, such as website copy, product descriptions, email marketing, social media content, and advertising. Many businesses and organizations require copywriting services to promote their products or services and increase their sales. As a result, copywriters are in high demand, and can earn a good income by providing effective, high-quality content. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of a freelance copywriter in the United States is $51,144 for 0-1 years of experience, $59,225 for 4-6 years of experience, and $75,202 for 10-14 years of experience. However, these averages are very generic, and the reality is that a copywriter's salary can range from a few $1,000s per year to several $1,000,000 per year, depending on your skill level, the type of work you do, and the clients you work with. So how can you become one of these successful copywriters and make money online by copywriting? Here are some steps you can follow to get started as a beginner. Step 1. Find your niche and target audience. Finding your niche and target audience is a critical step in building a successful copywriting career. This can also help you attract the right clients who are looking for a copywriter with your particular expertise. To find your niche, consider your interests, skills, and experience. What topics or industries do you enjoy writing about? What expertise do you have that can benefit clients? For example, if you're passionate about health and fitness, you can choose to write copy for health and fitness products or services. Once you've identified your niche, research the market to determine the demand for your services and the competition. Your target audience is the group of people who are most likely to need your services and benefit from your expertise. What are the pain points and challenges that your target audience faces? What type of content or messaging will resonate with them? By understanding your target audience, you can tailor your writing and marketing efforts to meet their specific needs and preferences. Step 2. Build your portfolio and website. Building your portfolio and website is another important step in launching your copywriting career. Your portfolio is a collection of samples of your previous work that showcases your skills and abilities as a copywriter. Your website is one platform where you can display your portfolio, introduce yourself, and attract potential clients. Having a portfolio and a website can help you establish your credibility, professionalism, and authority as a copywriter. To build your portfolio and website, you need to create some samples of your copywriting work. The key is to create samples that are relevant to your niche and target audience, and that demonstrate your value and results as a copywriter. You can use tools like WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix to create your website and upload your portfolio. Make sure to include a catchy headline, a clear introduction, a compelling call to action, and your contact information on your website. Adding testimonials, case studies, or social proof to your website will boost your credibility and trustworthiness. Step 3. Find and pitch clients. Finding and pitching clients is the final and most crucial step in making money online by copywriting. Without clients, you won't have any income or projects to work on. Therefore, you need to find and pitch clients who are looking for copywriting services and who are willing to pay you for your work. There are many ways to find and pitch clients, such as 1. Using online platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or Guru. These platforms can be a great way to find clients quickly and easily, but they can also be very competitive and low-paying. Therefore, you need to stand out from the crowd by creating a compelling profile, offering high-quality work, and delivering on time and on budget. 2. Using social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. These platforms can be a great way to build relationships, trust, and authority with potential clients, but they can also be time-consuming and require consistent effort and engagement. 3. Using cold email or cold calling. You can use tools like Google, LinkedIn, or Hunter to find and research potential clients, and then send them an email or call them to pitch your services. You can also use tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, or Mailshake to automate and track your email campaigns. These methods can be a great way to reach out to high-paying and high-quality clients, but they can also be challenging, risky, and low conversion. No matter which method you use to find and pitch clients, you need to follow some best practices, such as 1. Do your research. Before you pitch a client, make sure you know who they are, what they do, what their goals and challenges are, and how you can help them. 2. Be professional. When you pitch a client, make sure you use a professional tone, language, and format. Avoid spelling, grammar, or punctuation errors, and use a clear and concise style. Also, be polite, respectful, and courteous, and address the client by their name and title. 3. Be confident. When you pitch a client, make sure you showcase your skills, experience, and results as a copywriter. Highlight your achievements, testimonials, or case studies, and demonstrate your value and benefits to the client. Also, be assertive, positive, and enthusiastic, and show that you are passionate and excited about working with them. 4. Be persistent. When you pitch a client, don't give up after one attempt. Follow up with them regularly, but not too frequently, and remind them of your offer and interest. Also, be flexible, adaptable, and open to feedback, and try to overcome any objections or concerns they may have. Copywriting is a great way to make money online, and it can be a rewarding and lucrative career for those with the right skills and mindset. To get started as a beginner, you need to find your niche and target audience, build your portfolio and website, and find and pitch clients. By following these steps, you can launch your copywriting career and start earning income from anywhere in the world. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.